No, I didn't soak them because I didn't plan on making these. Slash. I boiled them for an hour, and then slow cooked for about 3 hours.
Take out the borderline and start trying to talk.
Keep on. We're gonna pack everything. This stuff is needed because when we go in the hotel in Japan, we're gonna need all of those. We need the clips. There's just a little clip put on the side of kid plate or somebody's plate. And these look a little yellowish, but they go over the stretch over a lot of tops. And we're gonna take those tips. There's another one. Okay. These are not hair bags. These go over soda cans. Stuff like this. Anything that you don't want to get in stuff when you're outside or your hotel or even your own house picnic. Whatever you say. You got to put some on there.
I've been in Vegas for almost 4 years. Time to go. Any shape and size will do, but I prefer small and medium size ones. If you season these up, they will taste great. So good to dip in juices.